welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. This is your first time here. My name is Diona. I don't know why I did that. And I'm going to be installing a wig today, per usual, because I always install wigs. But the wig that I'm installing today is from a company called Wig Fever. Do you have a little bit of wig fever? All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. So this wig is a 26-inch, 180 density body wave. Ignore this, I'll explain this in a second. Body wave, Brazilian body wave wig. It is one of their pre-plucked glueless units, so it looks like this. The inside of the wig is like a dome cap type fit. It doesn't have combs or anything, but it does have the adjustable band right here for you. And earlier, okay, so I said it was body wave. What happened was I bleached the knots because it didn't look like the knots were bleached. So I bleached the knots and then washed the hair. So this is what, and then I blow dried it. So, you know, when you blow dry hair, it looks like this, but that doesn't even matter because I'm going to be styling the hair. Yeah, so I'm really excited to install it. The hair seems really, really nice. Like I said, it's 180 density, so it seems like it's a really good like thickness. You can kind of get an idea of how thick it is from root to tip, and it is 26 inches, so it comes pretty long, but I'll show you what all that looks like later. So this is the box that I got from Wig Fever, and this is the bag that comes with it. So they give you a cute dust bag to keep your wig in. They give you a cute bonnet that says Wig Fever. And like the inside is like this light purple and the outside is dark purple. That's cute. And they actually give you like a couple of wig caps for the hair. They give you a silk head scarf and also a wig band and a comb because I need another comb, yay. But yeah, so if you want to see me install this wig, you gotta keep on watching. All right, so jumping right into the video, I'm sliding off this thing. For this install, I am not, I said not, I repeat, not gonna be using a wig cap. And typically I do, but I don't want to use a wig cap because you can see the wig cap through the lace and you really don't need one, honestly. So the only thing that I'm going to do is just adjust this strap so it fits a little bit tighter on my head, and then I'm going to install the wig. Oh shit. So with just the wig band and no combs or anything like that, the wig fits pretty good on my head, actually. It's not giving anywhere. Oh, it feels really light. For this hair to be as long as it is, it feels super light. Like, it really doesn't feel like I don't have anything on my head. Like, it feels like this could be my real hair. And I think I just love how long it is. I have missed super long hair like this, to be honest with you. So I'm excited to get it installed. Now I do want to point out that you absolutely can wear this wig gluelessly because of like how flat it's laying. Like, look at this. You can swipe your little comb up underneath here and it'll be 100% glueless. But that's not how I'm installing my wig today because I'm going camping tomorrow and I need my wig to stay on my head. So yeah, I will be gluing this down. So, and the glue that I'm using is from Wig Dealer. This is their Extreme Hold Lace Glue. It looks like this. I really love this glue. This is by far probably the best glue that I've ever used. And it really works. When I really need something to stay, I'm reaching for this glue. So I'm just gonna roll this up and put this across my hairline. On top of using their glue, they also put down like a line of got to be free spray. So I'm gonna do the same thing just to see if it works. I don't know, child. We trying out something new. I just wanna see. Now I'm just gonna roll this down. Use the back of my comb. Make sure everything fits. And now I'm just gonna wrap this. Yeah, I think I want to do a side part. Alright. I'm just gonna part it like this, just to cover up the last track. And so now I'm also going to part out my edges. I'm leaving out my baby hairs. Now I'm just taking my Eco Gel and I'm gonna swoop my little edges. So part of me really wants to flat iron this hair. Like I really just want to wear it like bone straight, like a bone straight side part, because I think that'll be so cute. But I'm gonna put some curls in it just to show y'all a little versatility, since it was a body wave wig and I washed the curls out. I'm gonna put some curls back in. All right, my arm hurts from all that. Okay, so now I'm just taking my wax stick and putting it along my hairline just to push it back some, like right here. Take my hot comb. Oh, that's a strand of hair. Sure this looks straight like that. Take this off. All right, one thing I noticed is that this hair holds a curl really well. So this is what it looks like curled. And I didn't have to put any product on it or anything like that. But the last thing I'm gonna do is just take some concealer to help define my part. So putting this all along here. Like so, like that. And then I'm just taking the remnants of my, of my cream foundation from this brush here, and I'm just running it along my hairline just to like blend the lace even better. And that is it. I don't want to mess up the curls because it's really cute. But this wig, I love this wig. The hair is so light, it doesn't feel like I have anything on my head. Like it really feels like my natural hair grew this long overnight and then I just decided to put a side part in it and some curls. Like it's so light, but it's so long and it looks full. Like, I absolutely love this hair. And I highly recommend you go get you one of these because I don't think you'll regret it. I don't know. I really like this hair right now. And it's pretty, and I like how it holds a curl. This is so simple. Like, I mean, I honestly could put layers in this, but again, I'm not going to. I'm just gonna leave it. But yeah, like I said, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.